Steve, and it's backyard garden time. This is the Quictent galvanized raised garden bed. It comes in a kit, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about it. Here's the unboxing. Here's everything it comes with. This is the 6 by 3 by 2 foot size. This kit is easy to put together, but there are a lot of screws, and they are screws with wing nuts, so they're easy to get on, and then at the very end you just tighten them with a Phillips head. So here I am. I'm coming right along with this project. It's going to take you probably an hour to put this thing together. Right here you can see the screws with the wing nuts. Everything fit together perfectly, by the way. Here I am finishing the last panels. At this point I have finger tightened all the wing nuts, so here's a recommendation that I would make to you. Tip it up on its side so you don't have to bend down to tighten these, and just take a Phillips head and quickly go through and tighten all the screws, and then flip it to the other side and do the same. Just takes a few minutes. Here is the finished product, and if you look inside, they have crossbars for stability. Very easy to install those as well. We'll be using this in our backyard, and my wife is going to get rid of some smaller containers and move everything to a larger container. It'll look nicer in our yard and easier for her to manage. They provide this rubber edging to go around the top, as you can see. Now when you install it, it has a rolled top, so the top actually is not sharp, but they do provide this as an additional safety factor. So we are really happy with this. We are going to grow a lot of vegetables this spring and summer. So we're looking forward to using this raised bed. We like it. I think you'll like it too. So if you're watching this video, I hope you found it helpful.